Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi. I'm an agency owner and a content creator, an agency owner for the past 3 years, and I know this industry inside out. And today I'll be answering all the questions for creators in all the brackets, and I believe that this will help a lot of you to understand that how much is it that you can charge as a content creator on Instagram in 2026. Now here I'll be covering how much should you charge for a UGC deal, how much should you charge for a collab video, and I'll also be sharing that how much should you charge for both these things on the basis of your engagement rates. In today's scenario, brands do not just look at your number of followers because followers can be bought. What brands look for instead is your engagement rate. So I'll be talking in brackets of engagement rates, that is, if you have specific 1 to 2k followers and you have specific this percentage of engagement rate, then this is the amount that you should charge for a UGC or a collab video on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's just dive into this video, and I hope this breakdown will really help you determine how much should you charge as a content creator. Now it's just a disclaimer before we get into it. ये as an agency POV से we are sharing. As an agency POV से I'm sharing the commercials, but it completely depends on the creator how much they want to charge, because there are some creators who have had a lot of experience in other industries and they're just starting out with content creation, so they're pretty confident about it, so they can charge even more. But this is the baseline around which you should charge as a content creator on Instagram, and this is the rate which is usually acceptable in the industry by brands and agencies, both of them. First of all, let's talk about nano creators, that is creators who have less than or equal to 3000 followers on Instagram. Okay, so now we'll be talking in two brackets here. One, creators whose engagement rate is less than 3%, and second, creators whose engagement rate is greater than 3%. Now, how to calculate the engagement rate? Engagement rate calculate करने के लिए there are a lot of tools available online. I'll list the websites here, so you can use them, or you can divide your engagement by reach attained on a specific time period of content multiplied by 100%, and that is the way you calculate engagement rate. So engagement rate basically होता है कि कितने लोग आपका content देख रहे हैं और उसमें से कितने engage कर रहे हैं. So what is the percentage of that? So that is why that's the formula. Now coming to how much should you charge for a collab video if you have less than 3% engagement rate and less than equal to 3000 followers. So the good amount would be rupees 2000 to rupees 3000 per video. This is a good amount. Now how much should you charge for a UGC video if you have less than 3% engagement rate and you have less than equal to 3000 followers? The amount would vary between rupees 1000 to rupees 2000 per video. Now let's come to the bracket where your engagement rate is greater than 3%. Now what is it that you should charge for a collab video if you have the said engagement rate? Creators usually charge anywhere around rupees 3500 to rupees 5000 or 5500 per video for a collab video, and for a UGC video you can charge anywhere between rupees 2500 to rupees 3500 per video. This was for creators who have less than equal to 3000 followers. Now coming to the micro creators who have followers in the range of 3000 to 10,000. In this category, if you have an engagement rate of less than 3%, then you should charge for a collab reel around rupees 4000 to rupees 7000 per video, and for the UGC video you can charge anywhere between rupees 3000 to rupees 5000 per video. Now, if your engagement rate is greater than 3%, then for a collab reel you can charge rupees 8000 to rupees 15,000 per video, and for a UGC video in this bracket you can charge anywhere between rupees 5000 to rupees 8000 per video. Now let's come to the mid-tier influencers जिनका follower range होता है from 10,000 to 50,000. Now how much should you charge in that bracket? If your engagement rate is less than 3% here, then cost per collab video should range between rupees 10,000 to rupees 20,000 per video, and cost for a UGC video can range between rupees 8,000 to rupees 12,000 per video. Now, if you have an engagement rate of greater than 3% in this follower range, then for a collab video, you can charge anywhere between rupees 25,000 to rupees 40,000 per video. And for a UGC video, you can charge anywhere between rupees 15,000 to rupees 25,000 per video. Now, let's come to the last category, which is the follower range of 50,000 to 1 lakh followers. Now this is the last category because after that I believe that creators charge as per their will. There is no as such limitation to how much a creator can charge, so we are covering till here only. So now if you have engagement rate of greater than 3% in this follower range, then for a collab video you can charge anywhere between rupees 35,000 to rupees 60,000 per video. Similarly, for a UGC video, you can charge anywhere between rupees 20,000 to rupees 30,000 per video. Now, if in this follower range you have an engagement rate of greater than 3%, then for a collab video, you can charge anywhere between rupees 65,000 to over 1 lakh rupees per video. And if you want to create a UGC video, then you can charge anywhere between rupees 35,000 to rupees 50,000 per video. Okay, so this was all about the rates and how much you can charge on the basis of your engagement rate and your follower count. Now this is basically an estimate, and this is on the higher end. I'm not quoting very low prices for this follower range. These are on the higher end only. Now if you're very confident about it, only then pitch these prices. And it also differs from brand to brand. There are some brands who cannot ever pay this amount. So अब brand को देख के अपने prices थोड़े change करो. Do not just stay rigid on these prices. That is a deal of loss only for you. अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत negotiate करके एक अच्छा brand deal मिल रहा है या मिल सकता है, then go for it. Also, when you are pitching these prices, try to give the brands a package deal that I'll be able to deliver one collab video, and with that I can do 2 stories for you. And maybe if you're doing UGC for a brand for the first time, then try to give them something complimentary. That way, your image will be created in the back end of the agency or brand you are dealing with, and they'll always keep you in mind for any next opportunity. So industry कोई भी हो, सिर्फ पैसे से आप मतलब नहीं रख सकते. You also need to build good relations with brands and the agencies so that they keep giving you more and more work. And yeah, this was all about this video. I can make a lot of other videos also on topics related to creators, agencies, UGC. If you want to know what UGC exactly is, I can also make a video on that. So all you have to do is comment and let me know what is the kind of content you would like to watch from my end, and I'll surely make a video on it. And yeah, this was all about this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you found it helpful. And do subscribe and like, share and comment for more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.